This is Becky McCully with Your Charlotte Living, and today we are talking about home remodeling projects. So how do you even start a remodel project? The first step is really figuring out what is your goal. Are you doing this because you're anticipating that you're gonna sell your house soon? Or are you doing this because there's an unmet need in your home? Next, you need to evaluate the space. For example, if you are thinking about updating your kitchen countertops, you need to say, okay, what is the square footage of the countertops that I'm going to need to replace? Make sure that you have a well thought out plan. You don't want to pick out countertops that aren't gonna match your cabinets or your floors. So even if you're not gonna make all of those updates at the same time, making sure that you have a coordinated look in mind will help you in the end. The next step in your remodel project is to determine your budget. This is the least fun part of this because I just want to go pick out everything that looks beautiful. However, it's really important to determine the budget for your project because it would be really easy to get off track and quickly. I would also recommend that you get quotes from multiple vendors to make sure that you're getting the best value and understanding what is included in each of those quotes. And then the final step is just determining your timeline and coordinating all of the workflow. As a realtor, I don't just help my clients buy and sell homes. I connect them to all of the professionals that they need to make their house a home. That can be anything from interior design, renovations, outdoor living, or even just home organization. If I can help you fall in love with your current home or help you find a new one, please give me a call.